If you come here and walk towards the right side, then you would be able to see the backwaters, which is right behind me, just behind the monkey rock. We keep walking and we will reach the backwaters. Friends, today we will explore the beautiful Palolem Beach. So this beach comes after the Agonda Beach and is located in the South Goa and one of the most popular. Right behind me you can see lots of cottages, some shacks. So this is an excellent beach for relaxing, enjoying the nature. If you want to do kayaking, then this place is definitely for you. So friends, you can rent a boat here and also move to Butterfly Beach. So that's one of the ways to reach Butterfly Beach, is going through a trek or going by a boat. So those kind of boats are available here. Towards my backside there's a mangrove area, so that is where the kayaking happens. As we can see, this place is full of boats, and as we can see that a lot of tourists are there as well. If you want to do boating and go to Diwar Island, it is charged at around 500 per person. There are a lot of tourists. This is a very popular beach and you will definitely find a lot of tourists, both domestic and international. So definitely feel free to visit this place. It's an awesome place. There is water activities, kayaking, you can enjoy the natural beauty, you can even do boating. Let us know in the comments how you like the video and how good you are enjoying it. Hope to see you in the next episode. Friends, we are at the parking of the Palolem Beach. This is a parking area. They charge you around 140 rupees. You can park your bike or car. There are a lot of shops behind me. Beer shops and cabs you can find here. There's the Palolem Beach Resort right in front of me. You can have some food here as well. Just bought this hat. They charge 300. You can buy hats here as well.